Hello, my sisters. Today, I am offering my sisters a model. Wide pants for middle age. Then this style is very suitable for you. This one will cover you. Good big thighs. Then it's me. If it's light, it'll give you the shape of your pants. I can make my sister look. It will look soft and light, more flexible in middle age. Then, now we're going to start going into this template design. With this model, I will guide my sisters. The front is us. It will be the part. There will be a zipper on the back. At this age, I wear myself out. I go back and forth and that's it. Pleasant, huh? So the first step is we're going to get the length of a pair of pants. These pants are up to the ankle, depending on the height. You can choose the length for your children. Here, the length I'll take is 90. This is due to the measurements, ladies. Now, remember to support yourself. If you like this model yet know how to sew, you will comment below the instructions. Maybe 10. If you comment, I will show you how. Sewing directly on the fabric. Then you take the road. Well, build a road through. Well, for this model, the bottom is the bottom. Just so here you will get it. Blown ass by ass divided by 4. At the end of the day, you guys split 4. U plus for 5. This one already has a back. Here my ass is 80. Divide by 4 plus 5 and you get 25. In that case, your ass is not 80. It's 100, for example. Or 100 and a half. You put that number in here. I will have a lower part. Push another. Then from here I take down 25 gasoline. According to the measurement, huh? Then I pulled across. Then you're going to get me a flat ass. I'm going to let my ass out by 4. Sister plus for ba. If you divide by 4 and give ba here, I will. The body in front of me will have a chain, so I added 1. And now my ass is here. 80 divided by 4 here, you'll add 4 to 24. Then from the side, take it out for me, it's 24. Then we split this road in 2. It is 10 minus 20 to ha on each side. And then I'll line up a perpendicular line. This road is called the middle road. Let's draw a straight line from top to bottom. Then, in the middle. Then here you will get yourself a degree. EO. Let's divide 8 hectares, you subtract. My waist here is 64. Divide by 8 to 1 and we will equal 7. Let's start with the middle. I will measure 7. And then from this bottom, you measure ba. I connected this part in. And you measure up from down here to 7. And then we'll bend the bottom of our pants. Then we'll get the crotch. And from here you'll come down. Give me some gas. If we push through, we get the back. And the other half here. Here, you will take me to the waist. Share 8 sisters plus. Give me 1, and then you'll give me 2. Let's make a vertical path. 64 divided by 8, add to ba. That's equal to 8 plus 3, so we're going to get 11. It starts at the midpoint. Hey guys, come out here. Let me be 11. Starting from here through here is equal to a number 11. In the case that you have the measurements, the other waist is not this 4 minus 6. You can replace that number here. How many numbers do we have? Then you'll figure it out backwards and calculate the opposite for it by my own measurements. And then I'll hook it up here. Tell him to come back and wait for me. You guys finish the word. Here you split in two. Give me to drinks. And we'll get the flank with the pattern. Wide tube pant model. Here, you will build me a square. Down. Then we'll just get the pants. My sisters. And here we get the bend part. 2 bottles of gasoline. You can put this one together. Then we're going to be to petrol. Then in the case that we to design a pair of pants. If it is like this is whatever you want. Wear wide. You just need to put this ruler on me. This ass is up here. Down here, we are. Take it from the top right here in the corner where I'm bulging. And then this S goes wide. Go wide wide, come here for me. 10 more petrol ha. Then we'll hit up here. Then hit the live part. Then we'll get the pants. Wide tube like orthodontic. Then repeat. This is empty. If you want to wear something like that, it starts from the road. This ruler, you put a square ruler here. And you'll cut it wide. Lasting it out here. Then we'll get a wide tube. Maybe about 10 more inches. I finish the body first. I will cut Arabic. Then we'll get the Arabic body first. Then, next, we'll expand this section. I'll show you how we are. The back part of the body is elastic. The previous part is straight. So now I'll give you an example. I'll give you the flank, for example. Now, for example, I told you earlier, I put the ruler in here. This is the front body. Look out from here, guys. If you come to this corner, you can pull down the medicine. Expand the part. Tube out there here, I extend out from out here out 10 petrol. Then when you put it on the cloth, you just need to cut this road. According to the here, we'll get the body first. There's a tube as wide as a tooth. And then after that, we get the body first. From here, you'll start painting for the back. The back body. From the flank line of the body before this sisters raw to gasoline. Pipe section of the rear body raw to gasoline. Then we'll build a parallel road, following the path that we just built of the previous body to gasoline. Let's leave it here for now. Then from here you can measure it for me. A road down a road is a millimeter of gasoline, and we also count. Calculate the line where we're going to draw the line right around this corner. I turned this part up. Then you're going to divide your ass by 4. Here we're equal to 80 divided by 4, so you get 20. Then ha from here I measured out there is 20. And from here, my sisters, my hips are my hips. Divide by 10, you subtract by 1. Then 80 divided by 10 to 1, we get 7. Then from here you measure out. That's 7. Then, next, we're going to flip this part down. Remember, I'll measure it starting from the dotted line. Is the line back to the old ass line? At first, you guys got bigger. And from here, you'll come out 2 inches, ha. 2 inches here, we'll put a ruler. Here we draw. This is the old road. Let's push it to inches. And we're going to hit the bottom. See? That's 2 inches in parallel hitting the bottom of the pants. And from this street, this line is the bottom line of the previous body. This part is the bottom. Then you'll connect this road here. Then you cross this road. And here you go. Give me 2.5 inches. Two and a half inches from here. From here, you can measure up. Here are 2. Then we'll connect this road. Let's make this ruler perpendicular, ladies. I'm going to pull it right over here. Let it go through the starting point. The first point of the back of the front. Then from here you can measure it. Give me a path. Is equal. Owner. You divide by 4 and you add 2 to me. And 80 divided by 4 and you add 2 and you get 22. So this is 22. And then you're back on this road. Then we will get the body later. And you're going to cut the belt. It will be the same as the LG Cho 4. Let it retract, it hugs the waist, ha. Waist split 4 for one on side. On both sides, you will divide the 2. Before that, you may be normal. You will cut it here. There's a splint we're clamping in here. Let's make the back. Body first, and this, you will leave the seam. And save the big version of the elastic band. So we'll make elastic bands for the back. Then you'll proceed and we'll cut it out. You can see that. This is the Arabic part of the back. It's going to have this one. It's very wide, it's elastic. That's the back body. And this will be the front body. The body before you were. If you cut it, remember. Give me 10 more gas like this. Let me. Well, cut the body in front of the wide tube. I just finished sharing. I wish my sisters success. If there are requirements, if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I'll see and respond to comments. Give it to my sister as soon as I see it. Thank you. Hi. See you later.